Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to protect your TikTok account with two-factor authentication. Enabling two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security, keeping your account safe from unauthorized access. So let's go ahead and learn how. First of all, open up TikTok application on your Android or iOS device and make sure that you're logged into your account. After logging in, tap on the profile button at the bottom right corner. From the profile page, click on the three horizontal line menu at the top right, and in the pop-up at the bottom, click on Settings and Privacy. Under Settings and Privacy, click on Security and Permissions. You will be able to see two-step verification option on the next page. Tap on it and then select two-factor authentication method on the next page. TikTok usually offers SMS verification, email verification, password, and authenticator. You'll need to select at least two methods. I'm gonna tap the phone and the email option. After you select two of these, tap on Turn On at the bottom. Now, click on Add and your two-step verification is turned on. Once enabled, TikTok will prompt for a code whenever you log in on a new device, adding extra protection depending upon the verification type you've chosen. So that's how you enable two-factor authentication on TikTok. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.